My name is Vanessa. I'm a first year in Grays, and I'm thinking about linguistics and our CSS concentrations.
Hi, my name is Grace Sen. I'm also a first year. I live in Mauer, and I'm currently undecided.
Hi, I'm Karina, a first year applied math concentrator living in Matthews, and our project is called On Track.
This is a website to help users to keep track of their progress on 3 goals over time.
So first, the user is taken to the login page from which they can click register to create a new account. They have to create a unique username, password that meets certain strength specifications, and a confirmation of that password. Once they register successfully, they are taken to this set goals page where they can set 3 goals, no 2 of which can be the same. These goals can be set as either binary or numeric. And once they set goals, they are taken to their personal homepage.
So this homepage welcomes the user and also has a bootstrap carousel that displays a card for each habit with information on the title, how much they've achieved if they logged it, and also a button that can take them to a month view calendar where they can log more information. So for now, we'll go to a user that has more history that we can look at.
So if you click this button on carousel, you're able to see the binary or monthly calendar. And I'm going to show you how to log an entry for any day after the user has registered. So let's try December 8th, which is today's date. Yes, I have journaled. We're going to log that data in, and it shows up as green, which is successful. Now we're going to try and change that data. So we'll set it to no for also December 8th. And that changed to red. So what happens if you try and log an entry for a day after today? So December 13th, for example, an error will pop up. It says you cannot enter data for the future. And so below this calendar view, you can also view data for a different month by using this drop-down menu. Let's do April and pressing that button, and this shows you the binary April calendar.
So in addition to that, you can also go to specific day view. So let's say you want to go to December 8th, which is today. And on this day view, on the left, there is a card that has the date and also information on whether we completed it or not. And it said no because we logged that. You can also log data through this form above. If you want, you can view data for a different day, let's say January 1st. And then you can view the data, and that will display the information. And then if we want, we can also go back to the month view. So let's say we want to go back to December, and it goes back to here. So since we log data, we can see on the index page, it'll update that we logged data for today for journal, and the picture has changed.
We can also do the same thing for numeric goals. So for example, hours slept has a numeric value. We can log some data for today. So as you can see, this user has already logged 4 hours of sleep on December 8th, so we're going to try and change that to 5. And as you can see, it changes the value right there. Now, we can't log anything before the user registered. So for example, the user only registered today, and so if we try January 1st, it's going to return an error. Numeric data also has the change month functionalities. For example, if we want to view April, we can view April. And if we want to view a specific day, let's say December 8th, we can view that day. We have our value here. We can also change days and go back to month view.
So the last functionality of OnTrack is the mood quote generator. So this allows the user to input using radio buttons their mood, and after you click submit, it'll give you a fitting quote.
Yeah, so that is our project. We had a lot of fun developing it together.
And this was On Track!